How do I create a child account on Apple ID?
Hello, in this video we're going to walk you through the process of creating a child account on Apple ID. This is useful if you're a parent and you want to manage your child's Apple device usage and purchases.
What is a child account on Apple ID?
A child account on Apple ID is an account that allows parents to manage the content their children can access on their Apple devices. With a child account, you can enable Ask to Buy, which means your child needs to get permission before making purchases, and you can also set up screen time settings to manage your child's device usage.
Preparing to create a child account.
Before we begin, make sure you have family sharing set up on your Apple ID. Family sharing allows you to share purchases, subscriptions, and more with up to 6 other family members. You'll need to be the family organizer in order to add a child to your family sharing group.
Steps to create a child account.
Step 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Step 2. Tap on your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Step 3. Select Family Sharing, then tap on Add Family Member. Step 4. Select Create a Child Account. Then tap Next. Step 5. Enter your child's birthday and tap Next. Step 6. You will be asked to review the parent privacy disclosure, after which tap Agree. Step 7. Follow the prompts to set up the child account, which will include entering the child's name and creating an Apple ID for them. Step 8. Choose and answer the security questions provided. These will be used for account recovery. Step 9. Turn on Ask to Buy to approve all iTunes, Apple Books, and App Store purchases initiated by your child. Step 10. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions.
Managing your child's account.
Once the child account has been created, you can manage their screen time settings, approve purchases and downloads, and more from your device. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully set up a child account on Apple ID. We hope this video was helpful and that you feel more confident in managing your child's Apple device usage and purchases. Thanks for watching.